Hi, and welcome back to MyExcelOnline.com. Today we are going to show you how to freeze the leftmost column in Microsoft Excel. So by the end of this video, we will show you how to go from this, where we're scrolling across the screen, to this, where I have locked the first column. Also, we will have some additional training options for you at the end of this video, so stick around for that. So let's say I'm in my Excel spreadsheet and I have row headers over here instead of the standard column headers like this. And I want to lock these row headers so that when I scroll to the right, the headers are not scrolling along with the worksheet. So if I go up to the View ribbon and go over here to the Window group, and I click this button right here that says Freeze Panes, there's an option down here for me to freeze first column. So if I click on that, I can see this faint line appears, and that tells me what will be frozen on the screen. So now when I take my scroll bar and scroll to the right, I can see that those row headers are locked in place while all the columns are moving left to right. So if I start here with B, now it starts with C, now it starts with D, etc. If you are liking this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button to get notified when we release our weekly videos. We go over some more tips on how to freeze panes a little bit more in depth on our blog. I will include a link to that blog entry below in the description on YouTube if you would like to go there and learn more. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them for us and we'll get back to you. Thanks for watching, and see you again next time. If you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel and Office, join our Academy online course and access more than 1,000 video training tutorials so that you can advance your level and get the promotions, pay raises, or new jobs. The link to join our Academy online course is in the description.
If you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you're really serious about advancing your Microsoft Excel skills so you can stand out from the crowd and get the jobs, promotions and pay rises that you deserve, then click up here and join our Academy online course today.